If you're wondering how to roll over your 401k into an IRA, you're not alone. Many Americans are making this important financial decision to take more control over their retirement savings. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain why a gold IRA might be the best option for your wealth. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, be sure to check out the free Gold IRA guide in the description. Thousands of Americans are using this strategy to secure their financial future. When it comes to rolling over your 401k, the first thing to understand is that it's all about giving yourself more control. With a 401k, you're typically limited to the investment options your employer provides. But when you roll it over into an IRA, you have access to a much broader range of investments, including precious metals like gold. This gives you flexibility and can protect you against market volatility. Rolling over your 401k into an IRA is actually easier than you might think. The first thing you'll want to do is choose the type of IRA that fits your needs. Traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs are common options, but gold IRAs stand out because they allow you to invest in physical gold, which can be a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. To begin the rollover process, you'll need to contact your 401k plan administrator and let them know that you want to transfer your funds to an IRA. They'll provide you with the necessary forms and instructions. At this point, you have two options: a direct rollover, where the funds are transferred directly from your 401k to your IRA, or an indirect rollover, where the funds are sent to you and you'll have 60 days to deposit them into your IRA without penalty. Now, if you're wondering why a gold IRA is such a strong option for retirees, it's because it allows you to protect your savings from inflation and market swings. As you get closer to retirement, the last thing you want is to be caught off guard by a stock market crash or rising inflation. A gold IRA provides stability by investing in something that has stood the test of time: gold. It's also worth mentioning that rolling over your 401k into an IRA might come with tax implications. For example, if you're rolling over into a traditional IRA, you won't owe taxes on the transfer. But if you opt for a Roth IRA, you will be required to pay taxes on the amount you convert. This is something to consider based on your individual financial situation. One key thing to remember is that with a gold IRA, your gold investments are stored in a secure IRS-approved depository, so you don't have to worry about safekeeping it yourself. You also don't have to worry about the volatility of traditional stocks. Gold has a long history of being a stable store of value, especially during times of economic uncertainty. Now, if you're thinking about rolling over your 401k, but aren't sure whether to choose a traditional or Roth IRA, it really depends on your tax situation and when you plan to retire. If you're in a high tax bracket now and expect to be in a lower one during retirement, a traditional IRA might make sense. If you expect your tax rate to go up or want tax-free withdrawals in retirement, a Roth IRA could be the right move. But again, regardless of the type of IRA, if you want the best protection for your retirement, a gold IRA stands out as a long-term solution. It gives you the ability to diversify your portfolio and protect against things like inflation, currency devaluation, and economic instability. If you're still uncertain about the process, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description to get the free Gold IRA guide. This guide will give you a clear action plan and show you how you can safeguard your wealth by rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA. And if you have 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, this strategy is especially important for you. Protecting your wealth should be a priority, and with a gold IRA, you can rest easy knowing you've taken the right steps. So, if you're looking to secure your future and protect your hard-earned savings, get started today. Click the link in the description, and let's make sure your retirement is as stable and prosperous as possible.